we got.
Oh no. I don't know if we still have it or not. Yeah, we do. What the fuck is this, bro? Another goddamn eel? This is my second eel out of here. Look at this, John. What the fluff? What the hell? Holy shnikey. Damn, son. Oh, I don't have a towel. What the fluff? What the hell? Holy crikey. Damn, son. Oh, I have a towel.